What if the secret to staying strong, vibrant, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, or beyond was hiding in your kitchen right now? Not a pill, not a potion, but a single, natural food that could quietly rebuild your muscles, boost your energy, and even sharpen your mind. If you're over 60 and noticing your legs feel weaker, or getting up from a chair takes more effort than it used to, this isn't just getting older. It's a silent signal from your body that millions of seniors miss every year. But here's the incredible news. It's not permanent. With one simple change to your diet, you can turn back the clock on muscle loss and rediscover the strength you thought was gone forever. Stay with me, because today we're revealing that powerhouse food and the science behind why it works wonders, even if you're 75 or older. You know that moment when standing up from your couch feels like a workout, or your legs tremble after a short walk? It's easy to brush it off as just aging, but it's more than that. It's anabolic resistance, a sneaky metabolic change that affects nearly every senior at some point. Here's what it means. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to the protein we eat. Even if you're eating healthy or staying active, the grow and repair signals aren't getting through like they used to. It's like your muscles are hearing the message, but the volume's turned way down. This is the root of sarcopenia, age muscle loss. And it's serious. It doesn't just weaken your legs, it can steal your balance, mobility, and independence. If you're injured, you can see bonus muscles at a certain age. You can steal your bone marrow development, but you can lose it after a young age. And if you're injured or you die, you can steal your bone marrow development and your independence. The scariest part, it creeps in so slowly you might not notice until one day lifting a laundry basket feels impossible. But here's the hope. Anabolic resistance isn't a life sentence. With the right nutrients, especially certain amino acids and high-quality protein, you can flip that switch back on. Your muscles aren't gone, they're just waiting for the right fuel. Now, let's talk about something that works hand in hand with muscle growth: insulin. You might know insulin from blood sugar discussions, but it's also a key player in building muscle. When you're younger, insulin acts like a delivery service, shuttling nutrients, especially protein and amino acids, right into your muscles for repair and growth. But as we age, insulin sensitivity declines, meaning those nutrients aren't getting delivered as efficiently. It's like the delivery truck stuck in traffic and your muscles are left starving. This insulin resistance can lead to muscle loss, fatigue, and slower recovery, even if you're eating well. But the good news? You can improve insulin sensitivity with simple changes. Cutting back on sugar and processed carbs while focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods can get that delivery truck moving again. When insulin starts working better, your muscles soak up the nutrients they've been missing, paving the way for strength and energy to return. Here's where things get exciting. Meet leucine, a tiny amino acid with a massive job. Think of leucine as the spark plug that starts your muscle-building engine. Without enough of it, your body can't fully activate muscle repair and growth, even if you're eating plenty of protein. As we age, our bodies need more leucine to flip the switch on a pathway called mTOR, which tells your muscles it's time to grow. If leucine levels are low, that switch stays off and your muscles stay stuck. So where do you find leucine? It's in protein-rich foods like eggs, chicken, fish, dairy, and most potently, grass-fed beef liver. Just 100 grams of beef liver delivers about 2.9 grams of leucine, one of the highest natural sources out there. That's why it's a game changer for seniors fighting muscle loss. Many people eat enough protein but miss out on high leucine foods, leaving their muscles hungry for that spark. Are you getting leucine-rich foods daily? If not, this small tweak could be the key your body's been waiting for. Share in the comments if you've tried foods like beef liver or whey protein. What's worked for you? So what's the one food that can help reverse muscle loss, even in your 70s or 80s? It's not a trendy supplement or expensive shake. It's grass-fed beef liver. I know liver might not sound glamorous, but It's a nutritional superstar. A small serving is like a multivitamin for your muscles, packed with everything they need to thrive. Here's why it's so powerful. Leucine, nearly 2.9 grams per 100 grams, enough to jumpstart muscle protein synthesis. Vitamin B12 supports energy and red blood cell production, keeping you active and vibrant. Ion boosts endurance and helps your cells produce energy. Clean and natural, grass-fed liver is free of hormones and additives. Athlete's engine, delivering nutrients in their purest form. You don't need to eat it daily. Just 1 or 2 servings a week can make a difference in strength, balance, and stamina. If liver's not your thing, try sautéing it with onions, blending it into patties, or using freeze-dried liver capsules. This simple addition could be the boost your body needs to feel stronger and more like yourself again. It's not just what you eat, but when you eat it. Timing your protein intake can supercharge your muscle building efforts, especially as you age. Think of your muscles like a plant. Dump all the water on at once, and most runs off. Spread it out, and the plant thrives. Your muscles work the same way. The best time to fuel your muscles? First thing in the morning. After a night of fasting, your muscles are starving for nutrients. A breakfast with 30 grams of protein and 2.5 grams of leucine, like eggs with spinach or a protein smoothie, kicks off muscle repair right away. But don't save all your protein for dinner, a common mistake among seniors. Your body can only use so much at once. Spreading protein evenly across 3 meals keeps your muscles in a steady growth mode all day. What's your protein routine? Do you eat it at breakfast or wait until later? Share in the comments. This small shift could transform how you feel. Here's something amazing. Your muscles are more than just strength. They're your body's anti-aging engine. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even while resting. That means less belly fat, better blood sugar control, and a lower risk of heart disease and diabetes. Muscle also protects your bones, improves balance, and lowers the risk of falls, a major concern for seniors. But it gets better. Strength training and muscle mass boost brain health, sharpening memory and reducing cognitive decline. Your muscles are like a shield, guarding your independence, energy, and vitality. Losing muscle slows your metabolism, making it harder to stay healthy. But building even a little muscle turns back the dial on aging, giving you more freedom to live life fully. What would more strength mean for you? Carrying grandkids, gardening, or just feeling steady on your feet? Share your thoughts below. Muscle loss isn't inevitable. With the right foods, timing, and habits, you can rebuild strength and confidence no matter your age. Start simple. Add grass-fed beef liver to your meals once or twice a week. Aim for 30 grams of protein per meal with leucine-rich foods. Stay active with walking, stretching, or light strength training. Your muscles are still ready to grow. They just need the right rebuild strength and confidence no matter your age. Start simple. Add grass-fed beef liver to your meals once or twice. Signal. Whether you're 60, 70, or 80, small changes can lead to big results. If this video inspired you, give it a like, share your story in the comments, and subscribe to Health After 60 for more tips to thrive as you age. We're here every week, cheering you on. Keep moving forward. You've got this.